So let me break it all down for you.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never
You know
giving
I'm taking that crown from you.
I ain't worried about you, I ain't
So let me
break.
break it all down for you.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never
You know
giving
I'm taking that crown from you.
Now in figure 1 we have two Yoko images, and these are X-ray images from the Yoko satellite from 2001. They are quite old. This is how long these objects have been here. And what we see here is this object starting to eclipse the sun, and here it has eclipsed the sun completely. The images are only 8 minutes apart. And as we can see, that this object is very bright, so it's obviously emitting X-rays in the first image. It has the similar pattern on it that we see on the sun's surface and on part of the sun's corona, which obviously emits X-rays. So this object is also emitting X-rays. And in this image we see another one of these objects. This one is clearly in the sun's corona because we see some of the corona plasma over it, and we can see this material draped across the object. And I talk about this in other videos. This is basically a sign of the object's ionizing envelope. And these objects are not planets, they cannot be the moon because they emit X-rays. Now this one is especially interesting because we can see actually structure on the surface of the object that is emitting X-rays. It's obviously emitting more X-rays from the right hemisphere than from the left. We can see regions where there are less X-rays being emitted. This is a region where there are more X-rays being emitted. You can even see contours. These curved lines are actually contours along the surface of the object and follow what you would expect the contours on a three-dimensional spherical object to be. And it actually looks like there's some material draped across this object so that it forms a layer which is slightly raised above the rest of the surface of the object. You can clearly see this here and there. It seems to be some kind of layer on top of the rest of the surface of the object. And it's very interesting, but this structure tells you that this object is emitting X-rays from its surface. And this means that it cannot be the moon because the moon cannot emit X-rays.
So let me break it all down for you.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never
You know
giving
I'm taking that crown from you.
I ain't worried about you, I ain't
So
even
let me break it all down.